Do you get really hot and sweaty when you sleep? Maybe you get hot flashes? My name's Hannah with WTI, and I have got the perfect blanket for you. This is Seyfote's cooling blanket. I have the queen size, and this thing quickly has become my favorite blanket. The queen size fits our bed perfectly, and it's big enough for my husband and I both to use. But when you open the package and you get this thing out, you will instantly fall in love. It is the softest, silkiest blanket I have ever felt, and the cooling sensation when you put it against your skin, it's like nothing I've ever felt before. It works best just by using it without sheets or blankets, but that's okay. You don't have to worry about it getting dirty because it's machine washable. And while this is a cooling blanket, it's like magic because it cools you, but it still keeps you warm. It kind of absorbs and disperses your body heat. Of course, it does absorb body heat. So if it has been against your body, it is going to warm up a little bit. So if you want that nice, cooling, refreshing feeling again, you can just kick it around a little bit, let the fan blow on it, and put it against you, and it will instantly cool you down again. If you are a person you know is a hot sleeper or is getting hot flashes, you now have the perfect thing to get. But that's just my point of view.